In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page private and password protect in Squarespace 7.1. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter so only people with your chosen password can view a specific page on your site. First, head to squarespace.com and open your website. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your site's controls. From there, go to your account dashboard. Depending on your view, you may see the dashboard prompt more than once. Just continue until you're looking at the list of your sites. Select the website you want to edit to open the site editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the Pages panel. This is where all of your site's pages live, both linked and unlinked. Find the page you want to make private. Hover over that page and open its settings. The gear icon is the quickest way in. That settings panel is where you'll find the privacy options for individual pages. In the settings, look for the password field. This is what turns a regular page into a private, password-protected page. Type a strong, memorable password here. Keep it simple enough for your intended visitors to enter, but not so simple that it's easy to guess. Avoid personal details or anything you use elsewhere. Remember, you're controlling access to content, so choose something you can share securely with the people who need it. Once you've entered the password, click Save. That's the key step that applies the protection. After saving, you should notice a lock indicator next to the page in the Pages panel, confirming the password is active. From this point on, anyone visiting that page will be prompted to enter the password before they can view its content. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. Share the password with your audience through a secure channel and let them know it's case-sensitive. If you ever want to remove protection, return to the same page settings area, clear the password field, and save again. Also, note that password protecting a page is different from password protecting the entire site. Here, you're protecting just this one page while leaving the rest of the site accessible as usual. That's it. Open your site, go to the account dashboard, select your site, open Pages, access the page settings, add a password, and save. With these steps, you've turned a regular page into a private, password-protected space